Hello guys, this is the powerful nature of the support and resistance strategy uh, which I tutored in that video. So I'll be making more upload, and of course how to use it in different um, time frames. So, and also how to use it together with these indicators. So, but for now, just take a look at what is happening in the market. This is Euro JPY. This is Swiss franc JPY. This is CAD JPY. Of course, the gold is already doing well. I can see the last entry. I mean the entry which I made yesterday. It's already running in profits. This is the news around dollars USD. This is the card, the USD card. This is the Euro USD. You can see how all of them are on fire. This is the USD Swiss franc. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. Trust me, I'll be uploading useful content, and of course you'll love it. So this is the already booked profits. That is how it is. Make sure you watch all the videos, and of course subscribe and turn on the notification button as I will be uploading new ones.